Hello my dear children, today we can go through our new chapter rational numbers. Okay, all numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers, all natural numbers are rational numbers, all fractions are rational numbers, all decimals are rational numbers. But only one condition, while we are writing in the form of fraction, the denominator can't be 0. That is, okay, we can study that. That is, when we are writing a rational number that is in the form P on Q, and at any time Q cannot be a 0. Okay, then 5 on 3, it's a rational number. How can we say here 53 on 10? It's a rational number and it is in the form of P on Q. P will be numerator and Q will be denominator, and this Q is not 0. Here Q is equal to 10. Clear? The word rational arises from the term ratio. Okay. It is derived from the word ratio. So we know 3:2 is in the form of ratio. We can write this one as in the form of rational number 3 on 2. Okay, so 3 on 2 is a rational number. Why? Because this is in the form of P on Q and here Q will be 2. Q not equal to 0. Clear? Here we can go through some rational numbers. Examples. Negative 1 on 2. It's a rational number. It's a negative rational number. The value of negative 1 on 2, this is a negative rational number because here you can see negative 1. And negative 1 on negative 2, is it a negative rational number or positive rational number? We all know that if we are dividing both numerator and denominator by negative, that will be, the value will be positive. Negative and negative, that will be positive. Clear? Okay, so here this is a positive rational number, but 5 on negative 7, here only one negative, so we can say this is a negative rational number. Okay, but negative 10 on negative 20, it's a positive rational number. Value is positive. Clear? Negative divided by negative, that will be positive. We studied that. Okay, then 5.3, it's a rational number. How can we say 53 on 10? This is in the form of P by Q and here Q not equal to 0. Here Q will be 10. So there are two types of rational numbers we have to study, that is positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Okay, we have studied that very clearly. How can we say negative rational number and positive rational numbers? So some more example, that is negative 3 on 5, it's a negative rational number. Negative 7 on 8, negative 9 on 5, all these numbers are rational numbers and it's a negative rational numbers. Okay, then positive rational numbers. Then negative 1 on negative 5, it's a positive rational number. Then 7 on 8, okay, then 9 on 5, 3 on 2, all these numbers are positive rational numbers. Clear? Children, don't forget all these operations are like our fractions operations. Okay, standard form. We have to find equivalent rational numbers. We have to add, multiply or divide or subtract. Everything is like our fractions operation itself. Okay. Here we can do them. Try this also. Page number 174. First question was, is the number 2, negative 3 rational? Think about it. It's very clear. It's a rational number because this is in the form of P by Q and here Q not equal to 0. Here Q is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 not equal to 0. So we can say it's a rational number. Also the next question is, list 10 rational numbers. That is Any rational numbers, 1 by 2, 3 on 4, 5 on 10, negative 3 on 6, negative 5 on 8, negative 7 on 9, negative 3 on 5. Okay, many are there. Negative 11 on 100. Okay, then negative 11 on negative 100. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then next one, positive 1 on 7. Positive 7. All these are rational numbers. Clear? Children, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Because 0 we can write on 1, on 2, on 7. Okay, anyway the value is 0 itself. Okay, but if 0 divided by 0, we know dividing by 0 is not defined. So, this is not a rational number, but all these are rational numbers. So, we can say 0 is a rational number because 0 we can write on 1, 0 on 2 and so on. Okay, then is 7 a rational number? Yes, because we can write 7 on 1. Okay, then 5. Yes, 5 is a rational number because we can write it 5 on 1 is in the form 5 on 1. All these are in the form of P by Q and here Q not equal to 0. Children, I think now you got some idea about rational numbers. Okay.